guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue shampoo slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notifications got for my last video is... Also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue shampoo slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is shampoo, and I'm using this VO5 one. The next thing you guys will need is a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate, and I'm going to get adding in the shampoo. The more shampoo you add is how much slime you'll make. And this is how much shampoo I'm adding. And look how pretty this color is. It reminds me of like oranges for some reason. So here it is. And now all you're going to have to do is you're going to just mix it up. Mix it till air bubbles form, or mix it till you feel like it's all coming together kind of. Well, when I mean coming together, I just mean like when you mix it and it gets like thicker. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I'm done mixing it, and here it is now. And now all you're going to have to do is you're going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes you're going to take it out, mix it up again, just like what I did before, for about 30 seconds each, and you're going to put it back in there and do it the other 4 times, and then when you're done, you should have slime. And I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours, and here is the slime, and I mixed it all up, and you can see all the bubbles formed at the top, and it's already sticky because some of the actual shampoo got on the side of the bowl, but that's fine. So let's mix it up and see how it turned out. So I can tell right away it's super thick, and it got way thicker than it was before, as you can see. You can see that slime actually formed from this. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty color. It's like an orange color. It reminds me just like orangecicles, or like, I don't know, Sunny D or orange juice. I don't know why, but it also smells kind of like that too, so maybe that's why I'm thinking of that. But I'm thinking that this worked pretty cool, and it turned into a pretty cool slime. It is a bit sticky because I should have left it in for a little bit longer. I only left it in for 2 hours, and I should have maybe left it in for another 30 minutes to get more thicker. But other than that, it turned out to be a pretty cool slime. If I left it in for a little bit longer, it'd be more like holdable, but you can see that slime actually formed from it, and it got much more thicker. And this slime will last you about like an hour to 2 hours, like depending on how long you play with it, because it's of course soap, and this isn't like a glue recipe. It doesn't have glue in it. It's just made from soap. But if you guys try out this recipe, please put in the comments down below if it worked for you, because this worked pretty awesome for me. And here it is again, and it's actually still very clear from all the mixing. It does have a bit air bubbles in it, but other than that, it turned pretty awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I also wanted to say I'm sorry so much for delaying the giveaway announcement. The giveaway will actually be of AirPods. I'm going to be doing an AirPod giveaway. So for all the information on the AirPod giveaway, I will be posting it on my community page on YouTube, which you can find just right when you click on my channel and you go to the community tab. And I also will be talking it a little bit more on Instagram if you want to hear more stuff about it. So check out all my social medias in the description box down below. I have a TikTok as well. I've been posting on TikTok more often because I love TikTok. But yeah, so remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!